Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been more than, I think, almost a month that I haven't done a video. The reason why, and if you haven't followed me on the other social network, is that we bought a house and we moved. As you can see from my face, it's been a rough month for me because between work, Elizabeth, and the new house, we're still finishing work. It's been a lot and I'm exhausted, but today I just received my new Ipsy box and I decided to do the new video showing you what I got inside. I'm definitely gonna do a video to show you the new house, but the work hasn't been done yet and I wanted to wait for that, but it's gonna take longer than I imagined. So I'm gonna show you in my next video how is the house now and how it was before we got in it. And hopefully you like it, but I'm just gonna do a short video today to show you the Ipsy box. If you don't know what it is, it's a subscription box, a monthly one about beauty and makeup products. There are two different kinds. The regular one, it's 5 samples and it's called Glam box, I think, and it's $10 a month. Otherwise there is the Glam box plus, not sure, but you can check on their website, and it's $25 a month and it's supposed to have full-size products. This one is the full size, so the $25 a month. I'm gonna open it right now. As you can see, today I chose a different setting, which is my new backyard. This one is my new basil plant that I just planted in this vase that I had. It's a little sad because here it's very hot. It's like today was 95 degrees. I water it all the time, but it's very hot here. But I'm definitely gonna show you everything better. Yesterday I put some lights there. Anyway, so let's see what's in the box. Here it's, when you open it, it says don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. It's this yellow pad here. Okay, and there's a little book where it shows you all the products you got in the box. I'm sorry for all the noise that you hear, birds, car, but I'm outside so I cannot control that. It looks very nice. The products are full size. So I'll start with the card. This box is for July 2019, in case it wasn't obvious by the day I posted the video. It's called, the theme is Diving. It's a summer inspired box. First product is this Pixie by Petra Glow Mist. The value is $15. And yeah, so it's a glow mist with propolis and argan oil. I really love propolis, which is, I mean, in Italian, propolis is something made by bees and I really like it. So here is the product. It's 80 milliliters, which is 2.7 ounces. I always have problems pronouncing that word, but this is very nice. So next product that I see here is this LXMI. I hope that's the right pronunciation for the brand. It's pure Nilotica melt, which is a nourishing balm to oil. So it's an 100% organic, vegan, cruelty-free moisturizing balm, and it's made with one single ingredient, which is Nilotica or Nilotica. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Nut, which I don't know, but seems good. Here's the product, and it's, I mean, the packaging is amazing. I know that's not the most important thing about a beauty product, but this is very nice. And it's 50 grams, which is 1.65 ounces. And I like that it's organic, cruelty-free, vegan. That's the kind of product I like. Next we have a mascara, which I love because it's one of the few makeup things I use. As you know, if you follow me, I don't use a lot of makeup. Usually I try to put makeup on for my videos to look a little better. Today I was too tired to put any makeup on, so that's my face. Actually I just showered. As you see, my hair is all wet. So sorry, let's go back to mascara. The brand is Thrive Cosmetics. As always, I hope I pronounced it right. It's the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Green. Value of $24. And I mean, this too looks very nice. And I love mascara. All the dogs now. So I'll definitely try these two. Let's go ahead with new product, which is this Naked Cosmetic 5-piece pigment set. Nice. So they're all stackable like this. Okay, and they're all 5 pigments, very natural, very like earth, like brownish, goldish, very summery colors when you're tanned, not like me that I'm very white, but this will look very nice. It says mix and match them to create endless eye looks. I mean, I would like to say that I will use them, even though I don't think I will use them that much, so I might probably give it to someone or keep them, hoping that I will get a little bit more tan. Last but not least is this Huda Beauty. It's a 3D highlighter palette in Golden Sands. Value for $45. Okay, and that's how it looks. I mean, it's very nice, very nice. I don't really like the outside of the box. I like something a little more plain and like not this someone's face, but what's important is what's inside. It looks very nice. Yes, so it's like a palette of all highlighters. So blush, I'm not really good for makeup, so I can't even describe it, but you can see them. And that's it for this box. As you can see, that's it. And I mean, I really like it, and I think for $25 all these products are amazing, and I like how they thought about summer. And hopefully I'm going on vacation next month in Italy, so maybe I'll get more tan, finger crossed, and I'll be able to use these products more. And I really hope you like this video. I just want to cut it short, so I'm not gonna talk too much. I'll see you very soon with the video about the house. And please let me know in the comments, how is your summer going, what are you doing, because I'm very jealous of whoever is on vacation. And I hope to see you very soon with a new video, but I will. Thank you again for watching, and have a good day. Bye.